Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Virals, a new episode. In this episode I'm gonna show you actually about this nice Mercedes CLK 320 in black 2005. It's a sweet ride. As you can see, it's a black on black, 19-inch wheels, beautiful. Got the LED tail lights, single exhaust. It actually would be nice if it would have like a dual exhaust, but unfortunately this is not the sport package. It's the, I don't know how to call it, maybe luxury package, but definitely it's not the AMG package. But looks good anyway. As you can see, it's a convertible, tinted windows, has those nice custom-made headlights with a retrofit, regular Mercedes grille. Here we got the blinker on the mirror. We got a nice little spoiler here, the AMG. I think that's the only part coming from the AMG model, that little spoiler on the trunk boot. Let's see what's hiding under the hood. So as you can see, it's a nice M112 engine, V6, 215 horsepower. It's a very strong engine, not that powerful though, but it's kind of bulletproof. One of the best engines Mercedes made. This thing is gonna run forever. 3.2 liter. As you can see, has those why is this loose? So that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be. As you can see, has those dual intakes. It's one air filter here and another one filter here. It's a pretty nice engine, quiet. It's perfect for this car. Not too powerful, not too weak. I think it's well balanced. The only thing I don't like about this car is the calipers. The calipers for the brake. I think they are a bit too small. As you can see, let me see if I can see this in this side better. This caliper is not the AMG caliper. However, they put this same on the back, is a cheap caliper. That's the only thing I don't like about this car. I think if you put 19-inch wheels on this car, you kind of feel a bit that the braking is getting a bit worse. It's worse than stock wheels, which are 17s. But you know what's the funny thing? Even on the C230, the W203 model, they put the bigger calipers, the AMG ones, but not on this car, which is weird because this car is a convertible. It's way heavier than the regular CLK or C-Class because of the reinforcements under the car. It has some extra reinforcements because in case of a crash, it needs to be rigid. Right, so let's move inside the car. We have a nice flat bottom steering wheel, nice perforated leather. As you can see, the inside is pretty nice walnut texture. As I said, power seats. But one thing I really like about the car is in the back seat, you got a nice Harman Kardon subwoofer. It's pretty strong, pretty powerful, especially when you're cruising with the top down. Gives you a pretty good bass and sound quality, having the Logic 7 sound quality. Choose the regular radio. It's a pretty sweet ride, very comfy. You won't believe how quiet this thing is. And the convertible, the CLKs, they actually, the convertibles, they have the best handling than other CLKs. So I'm excited to drive this one. Let's see how it drives. Alright, so this is the key. Pretty simple Mercedes classic lock and lock, panic and trunk opener button. Let's see how this engine sounds like. Nice start. Alright, so let's drive it. Oops. As I said before, this car is very quiet, despite the fact that it's a convertible. It's a pretty quiet car. I really like it, and the steering wheel feels nice. You feel like you're driving an AMG actually. Eager to catch speed. By the way, those 19-inch wheels makes the car feel a bit more stiff on the road, but I think it has better handling than the stock 17s for sure. Feels better on the handling, but you can feel all the bumps, you can feel all the obstacles on the road, trying to avoid them. Also the steering wheel feels very precise. Also has the stock suspension. No changes to that, it's just the stock one. I tell you what, man, you don't feel like you're driving a V6. You feel like you're driving in a supercar. Feels so good, no problems. And let's see how it will perform from 0 to 60. In order to do this, let's take off the ASP, put it in the sport mode, and let's see, here we go. Oh, and we hit 60. Whoa, yeah, that's something. faster. I feel like it was a bit slow to get to the 60 miles an hour, but I don't know, that's probably just me, but hey, it's a V6. As I said, this engine is not very powerful. It's not made for performance, but it is enough for a convertible to take you wherever you want, nice and smooth. Feels really smooth on the road. Typical Mercedes, they always feel like they're flying on the road. This is what I like about those cars. And let's not forget the nice subwoofer in the back. While you're cruising, put a nice song and enjoy. I'm gonna start from the comfort mode, try to floor it. Actually, what this button does, the comfort and sport, the comfort, it always starts from the second gear. So when it's ready to go, it starts from the second gear, gives the car a more smooth experience in changing and shifting the gears. And the sport mode starts from the first gear, and I think, but I'm not sure about this, goes in higher revs, or maybe not. I didn't see any difference. Fuel economy on this car is also not bad. If you're traveling long distances, you can get up to 33-34 miles a gallon. If you put the 17-inch wheels, the stock one, you probably get up to 36, but the bigger the wheels, the low miles. It's not made for economy, the bigger wheels. But yeah, this car is a dream to drive. It's very smooth, very comfortable, very quiet, feels nice. Can't complain. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode from Out of Iros, driving the 2005 CLK 320 with the V6 engine. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions about this car in the comment sections. I usually respond. And thanks for watching.